Starting at market open on September 28, 2026, Questrade is updating its fee structure for U.S. index options. Under the updated fee schedule, U.S. index options will move to a flat pricing model of 99 cents per contract. Prior to this change, U.S. index options utilized a variable, progressive volume pricing grid where contract fees scaled down depending on how many contracts you traded each month. With the new flat fee taking effect, this progressive volume pricing grid for U.S. index options will no longer apply. It is also important to distinguish this from U.S. equity options, which features $0 contract fees for all customers alongside optional cashback perks for subscribers of Questrade Plus. However, U.S. index options do not share that $0 tier and remain subject to the flat 99 cents per contract fee. Make sure to factor this flat rate structure into your trading strategies if you trade index options on the platform going forward. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.